Is fitness and self-care all about good looks? I wish. Good looks are merely a byproduct. In this video lesson, you learn how lack of fitness and self-care messes with your business success. Welcome to Fashion Business Mastermind, the mentorship program that helps you quit fear, get focused, and streamline your fashion business. I'm Julia Antofia, fashion inventor and manufacturer, 15 years in business, and your mentor on this wonderful journey. Stay tuned until the end of the video and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get started. In previous video lessons, you have learned that if you lack results in your fashion business, it means you are not focused. You've also learned that there are 4 reasons for lack of focus. 1. Operating outside of your true genius. 2. Wrong mission and purpose. 3. Too large product portfolio. And 4. Lack of fitness and self-care. If you are following our program to the T, you've already figured out your true genius, fixed your mission and purpose, and reduce your product portfolio to one iconic fashion invention. Now it's time to fix your fitness. Lack of fitness does not accommodate for a successful career. The reasons are threefold. 1. Entrepreneurial activity demands a high level of energy and emotional stability. You literally need to be able to go about your day in a fit tempo, keep calm and happy. 2. Entrepreneurial activity demands mental clarity. If you are not fit, your strategic thinking is jeopardized. Your judgment and connection to intuition are clogged. Your decisions are driven by reaction to what is happening to you instead of being focused and strategic. And 3, entrepreneurial activity demands positive emotional attitude and healthy self-perception. Physically unfit entrepreneurs are prone to depression and never-ending negative self-talk. The imposter syndrome and fear are taking over their lives. More often than not, they do not like their looks, to say the least. Even though they know that looks do not matter, they actually underperform because they're preoccupied with their body image, ashamed, afraid of stepping up and showing themselves to the world. They're shy in the networking events, they're terrified of Facebook Lives and any public exposure, they're terrified to live out their truth, self-conscious each and every second. They're using 99% of their brain power to process tornado of dark thoughts running through their head, telling them that they are not good enough. They're on constant emotional roller coaster that is uncontrollable and exhausting. Such attitude totally limits their social reach and business opportunities. I'm not telling you that you have to be good looking to be successful in business. What I'm telling you here is that you have to reside in the positive emotional attitude. If you find yourself mostly in the negative emotional attitude, it simply means you lack fitness. Please download the fitness assessment quiz from under this video and answer the quiz questions. Follow the action plan depending on your results. Take the same quiz 4 weeks later to see your progress. If you are not in our program yet and this video inspired you to join Fashion Business Mastermind, comment "I want in" the comments below and grab your insane 14 days free trial today by following the link in the description. You get access to Fashion Business Mastermind exercises by joining the program. Much love, Julia Antofia.